7 surefire ways to make people dislike you like the piece of shit you are not. Are you tired of everyone liking you?
I love you!
Then stop loving me!
Do you want to be left alone to enjoy your own company in peace? Well, you're in luck, because today I'm going to share with you the top 7 surefire ways to make people dislike you.
What?
That's right, if you're aiming to be the most avoided person in the room, then you've come to the right place.
You're a fire, yeah.
Let's jump right into the bad habits that will have people running for the hills. Why wait for someone to finish their sentence when you can just jump in and share your own thoughts? Remember, it's all about you.
I feel like you're not actually listening to me.
Yeah.
Make sure to cut people off mid-sentence constantly. It's a great way to show them that what you have to say is way more important. Bonus points if you talk over someone in a group setting. That'll really make you stand out in the worst way possible. Listening is overrated, right? Who cares what other people think or feel? Just nod along and then immediately bring the conversation back to yourself.
I'm a minister of football, I'm a legend.
If someone's telling you about their weekend, hit them with a
"That's nice, but let me tell you about my weekend. So much more interesting."
After all, why engage in a two-way conversation when you can monologue? Punctuality is for the birds. If you want people to dislike you, make it a habit to be late to everything. And I mean everything. Showing up 30 minutes late to dinner? Perfect! Missing the start of a meeting? Even better. People love it when you waste their time. It makes them feel so appreciated. Nothing gets people excited to see you like endless complaints. Complain about the weather, complain about your job, complain about your cat, that weird noise your fridge makes, complain about it too. Anything. And don't forget to complain about how much you hate complainers. Being a beacon of negativity is a guaranteed way to drain the life out of any conversation. Why should you admit you're wrong when you could dig your heels in and defend your point to the death? That's right, even when it's blatantly obvious that you're mistaken, double down. Arguing for the sake of arguing makes you look strong, right? Right? Never back down and watch as people slowly start to avoid debating anything with you ever again. Judgmental people are just the best, aren't they? So go ahead, pass a judgment on everything and everyone. Someone likes a band you've never heard of, call their taste terrible. Your friend ordered a different dish than you at dinner, make sure to comment on how you'd never eat that.
It's fucking wrong!
People just love unsolicited critiques.
Come on, man!
It's like a warm hug of condescension.
Take a hug.
No thanks.
Please?
No thanks.
A little one.
Yeah, no thanks.
Oh, someone's sharing a cool experience? Well, you've got a better one. Did they just tell you about their vacation? You've been to a more exotic place. They just got a promotion? You got a better one last year. Never let someone enjoy their moment. Make sure they know that whatever they've done, you've done it bigger and better. People just love a constant competition. And there you have it, 7 surefire ways to make people dislike you. Of course, if you want people to actually like you, just do the exact opposite of everything I just said. But where's the fun in that? Thanks for watching, and if you liked or disliked this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I will make sure that the next video makes you a more horrible person.